Today we're checking out the BBK 1 7/8 inch long tube headers in polished silver ceramic for the 2008 to 2023 6.1 liter Hemi, 6.2 liter Hemi, and the 6.4 liter Hemi Challengers. Long tubes are one of those mods that you do when you're really serious about waking that car up, because they're all about letting that engine breathe and putting more power to the pavement, so they're definitely worth looking into. The whole point of long tube headers is going to be improving exhaust flow, and that's exactly what these are built for, with a full-length primary tube design. When exhaust can get out easier, the engine doesn't have to work as hard, and it usually translates to more horsepower and torque that you can actually feel, especially when you're getting on that throttle. BBK even calls out power gains, including a claimed 22 horsepower without a custom tune. But the big takeaway is the fact that these are designed to unlock more performance and give the car a stronger pull. On top of that, you're doing this for the overall sound it's going to give you also. Long tubes are going to bring that deeper and throatier muscle car tone that a lot of people want, especially compared to the stock manifolds that can sound kind of muted. Just keep in mind that these don't comply with the carb standards, and this setup is serious enough that retuning is required for operation. Just keep in mind that you are going to need a tune once you put these on, so this is the kind of mod that you do with a plan to really wake the car up. And it's also worth mentioning that a matching mid-pipe is going to be required, and an O2 sensor extension is recommended. Just trying to let you know so you're not surprised when it's time to bolt everything together. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting CNC machined, mandrel bent, 1 7/8 inch tubing with a polished silver ceramic finish. The ceramic coating is a big win because it helps fight rust and corrosion. It also helps the headers hold up better under the heavy heat and nasty road salt, which is exactly what you want for a part that lives underneath the car. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $800 price range. That's definitely more than a basic shorty header setup, but long tubes are a bigger upgrade with bigger results, and you're also getting that polished ceramic finish for durability. If you're chasing real gains and a more aggressive sound, then that price point lines up with exactly what you'd expect for a full long tube setup from a known brand. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 8 hours of your time. This is something that's totally doable if you work on your car yourself and you're familiar with header work, but if you aren't 100% confident in your ability to do this right, then just go ahead and hire a professional to get this done for you. Well, that's going to wrap up my review of the BBK 1 7/8 inch long tube headers in polished silver ceramic for the 2008 to 2023 6.1 liter Hemi, 6.2 liter Hemi, and the 6.4 liter Hemi Challenger. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.